You should know about 10 impressive health benefits of strawberries. Welcome to our video on 10 impressive health benefits of strawberries you should know about. Strawberries are more than just a sweet treat. They are packed with essential nutrients and offer numerous health benefits. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 reasons why you should include strawberries in your diet. Let's get started. 1. Rich in nutrients. Strawberries are nutrient-dense, providing a variety of essential vitamins and minerals. Vitamins. They are an excellent source of vitamin C, which is vital for immune function, skin health, and wound healing. Strawberries also contain vitamins A, E, and several B vitamins. Minerals. Strawberries provide manganese, which is important for metabolism, bone health, and antioxidant defense. They also contain folate, potassium, and magnesium. 2. Powerful antioxidants. Strawberries are loaded with antioxidants that protect your body from oxidative stress. Anthocyanins. These antioxidants give strawberries their bright red color and help reduce inflammation and oxidative damage. Flavonoids. Other antioxidants in strawberries, such as quercetin and camphorol, contribute to their health benefits by protecting cells from damage. 3. Heart health. Strawberries can support heart health in several ways. Cholesterol management. The fiber and antioxidants in strawberries help reduce LDL, bad, cholesterol levels while increasing HDL, good, cholesterol. Blood pressure regulation. The potassium and magnesium in strawberries help regulate blood pressure by balancing the effects of sodium. 4. Blood sugar control. Strawberries can help manage blood sugar levels. Low glycemic index. Strawberries have a low glycemic index, meaning they cause a slower, more stable rise in blood sugar levels. Improved insulin sensitivity. The polyphenols in strawberries can improve insulin sensitivity, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. 5. Digestive health. Strawberries are excellent for digestive health. High fiber content. The dietary fiber in strawberries promotes regular bowel movements, prevents constipation, and supports a healthy gut microbiome. Prebiotic properties. The fiber in strawberries acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut. 6. Weight management. Including strawberries in your diet can aid in weight management. Low in calories. Strawberries are low in calories, making them a great snack for those looking to lose weight. High in fiber. The fiber content helps you feel full longer, reducing overall calorie intake. 7. Brain health. Strawberries have been shown to support cognitive function and brain health. Memory enhancement. The antioxidants in strawberries, particularly anthocyanins, can help improve memory and cognitive function. Neuroprotection. Strawberries help protect brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, which can contribute to neurodegenerative diseases. 8. Skin health. Strawberries contribute to healthy, glowing skin. Collagen production. The vitamin C in strawberries is essential for collagen synthesis, which keeps your skin firm and youthful. Protects against damage. The antioxidants in strawberries protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals and UV radiation. 9. Cancer prevention. There is evidence to suggest that strawberries may help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. Antioxidant properties. The antioxidants in strawberries help protect cells from DNA damage that can lead to cancer development. Anti-cancer compounds. Ellagic acid and other compounds in strawberries have been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. 10. Anti-inflammatory properties. Strawberries have strong anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic disease prevention. The anti-inflammatory properties of strawberries can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Joint health. Regular consumption of strawberries may help reduce inflammation in joints, benefiting those with arthritis. Conclusion. So, there you have it. 10 impressive health benefits of strawberries you should know about. From boosting your immune system and supporting heart health to improving skin and brain health, strawberries are truly a nutritional powerhouse. Including them in your daily diet is an easy and delicious way to enhance your overall health. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health and nutrition tips. Stay healthy and enjoy your strawberries.